That's a great question. So technical skills obviously are important, right? I mean, technical skills are like ability to design parts in CAD software. You know, there's so many different kind of CAD softwares out there, but I think once you know how to use one, it's easy for you to learn the other software, you know, and different companies obviously will use different CAD software, and usually they will give you training. So don't worry too much about that. You know, if you know how to use Pro Engineering and this company you want to work for use CATIA, for example, it's not really a big problem. And so that's one thing that is important. Also for MEs, hands-on skills are also crucial. Usually employers really look for those. So I would recommend you to join clubs that will help you in improving your hands-on skills, such as like Baha SAE, for example, or robotics club. Yeah, these are great opportunities for you to improve your hands-on skills. And besides those technical skills, also important are soft skills. Yeah, so like leadership skill, communication skill, ability to work in teams, ability to work with people from different kind of cultures and backgrounds. These are also very important. So make sure you put those on your resume, or at least say that during your interview.